right, ladies and gentlemen, we have some new updates to the indicators here. This is the multi-spread strategy. It used to be called the credit spread strategy, but I went ahead and said, you know what? We need some more options for people. So looking at here, not only do we have credit spreads, we have debit spreads, iron condors, butterflies, and calendar spreads. So yes, this is kind of a unique niche market here. Not too many Tradingview indicators out there that actually deal with spreads. You typically just see buy and sell signals, and that's it. But us option traders and spread traders know that there's more than one way to go long and go short. So here we have some different quote options for you to do different types of spreads. So looking at just credit spreads here, kind of a nice little feature. It'll show you, if there's a put credit spread, what the recommended sell strike is. And I have a table up here. For example, we're on SPY, the 1 hour chart. It's showing a put credit spread. Recommended sell leg was 627. That was way back there. It has this confidence level of 46%. But the cool thing about this is, if you're like, no, 46%, I want a little bit higher confidence. I don't want to see anything lower than a 50%. So this is a minimum confidence percent filter. So what this is going to do is, if conditions are met for a put credit spread, it's going to fire that signal only if it's over 50%. So watch what happens if I click that. So as you can see, it's only looking for conditions over 50%. So this one happens to be 70%. And as you can see, it's been, going up here. I also have my trend filter down here. That's my other indicator that we have. And it shows, the trend's been going up recently on these different time frames, and the confidence level on there as well. Like I said, you can also do different types of spreads. You could do a debit spread. I'll put that confidence back down to 10 so we can see. So you can see it, the debit spread fired here, a little bullish debit spread. On that one, you can also do, this is kind of cool too, iron condors. And as iron condor traders, we know that it has two legs, an upper and a lower. So this fired way back. When did this fire? Way back over here, 70% confidence. So we want it to kind of stay in this range. As you can see, it is kind of ranging there. So if you were to held it for a pretty long time, it looks like it might have been pretty good. Obviously, as traders, option traders, we're not really holding the full expiration. We're just holding it till we collected our premium, and then we're going to get out. We can also do butterfly trades. As you can see, it will fire that strike leg for butterflies as well. So pretty cool tool, pretty cool update on here on the multi-spread strategy. Just like before too, you could have select presets for different tickers like I have here, or you can just do auto. These different tickers here is it's more fine-tuned to kind of give you better results, but auto is just as good too. But again, the individual tickers will kind of just fine-tune it, and you'll see just slightly better entries on that. So happy trading.